Welcome to our roundup of the best French press coffee makers. The top brew devices that bring rich, full-bodied coffee into your mornings with simplicity and flavor. Whether you're a coffee purist chasing deep aromas, a weekend brewer seeking cafe-style results at home, or someone who appreciates a minimalist brewing experience, a quality French press delivers bold taste and control with every cup. We've curated the best models that stand out for their build quality, heat retention, ease of use, and consistency, so you can find the perfect French press to match your coffee ritual. We'll break down each press's key features like capacity, materials, filtration system, and overall usability. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find your ideal French press. Starting our list with a reliable and budget-friendly choice, the Belware's French press coffee maker is perfect for everyday coffee lovers who want solid flavor without fuss. Belware's is known for combining practical design with dependable performance, and this French press reflects that balance beautifully. It typically features a stainless steel plunger and mesh filter, which ensures smooth, sediment-free coffee extraction with every press. The durable glass carafe lets you watch the brewing process, while the ergonomic handle and heat-resistant frame make pouring easy and safe. One of the benefits of this model is its simple, uncluttered design that lets you focus on your brew without complicated setup or extra parts. Whether you're making a single cup or a few mugs to share, the Belware's press delivers full flavor with excellent body and smooth finish. Some users note that glass carafes require careful handling compared to all-metal designs, but for most home users this press strikes an ideal mix of performance, ease of use, and affordable price. Perfect for coffee lovers who value simplicity and consistent results. Next up is the Kikiso French Press Coffee Maker, a stylish and robust option that blends classic French press brewing with modern convenience. This model often features a double-wall stainless steel design, which helps maintain optimal brewing temperature longer than traditional single-wall glass presses. The increased heat retention means your coffee stays hotter while steeping, resulting in a richer extraction and more flavorful cup. The Kikiso press typically includes a fine mesh plunger and filter system, providing excellent filtration that minimizes grounds in your cup. Many users appreciate how easy it is to clean. Simply lift the plunger, discard the used grounds, and rinse. Its sleek, timeless appearance looks great on any kitchen counter, and the sturdy build means it's less prone to the accidental breakage that glass carafes sometimes experience. While slightly heavier due to the stainless steel body, its enhanced durability and temperature retention make the Kikiso French Press Coffee Maker a standout choice for those who value both style and performance. For coffee drinkers who want reliable brewing with thoughtful design and a generous capacity, the Viken French Press Coffee Maker earns its place on our list. Viken has built a reputation for coffee gear that delivers remarkable results at friendly prices, and this French press is no exception. It typically offers a lead-free glass carafe enclosed in a protective frame, which gives you the visual brewing experience while adding extra durability and grip comfort. The Viken press includes a multi-stage filter system that helps produce a clean cup with minimal sediment, perfect for people who prefer smoother textures without grit. Measuring guides printed on the carafe help ensure proper coffee-to-water ratios, which is especially handy if you're dialing in your perfect brew. Users often praise how straightforward the brewing process feels and how consistently flavorful the results are, making this an excellent Sunday morning brew device or daily coffee companion for people who enjoy dialing in their strength and flavor every time. Stepping into the compact and on-the-go category, the Civifi 12-ounce French press coffee maker is an ideal choice for single cups or travel-friendly brewing. Perfect for kitchens with limited space, office desks, or even camping gear, this smaller French press delivers bold flavor in a portable package. Despite its smaller size, it still features a robust plunger and mesh filtration system, ensuring great extraction and clean cups without excess grounds. The Civifi press's compact design makes it incredibly easy to store and transport, while its sturdy construction helps it withstand daily use or travel day brewing. For anyone who wants rich French press flavor without the need for larger mugs or carafes, this model is a fantastic match. While it won't produce multiple cups at once, its dedicated single-serve performance and space-saving design bring cafe-style coffee to wherever you are, from kitchen counters to office desks to weekend getaways. Finally, Earning our top spot as the best French press coffee maker this year is the Bodum 34-ounce French press coffee maker, a trusted classic that's loved by coffee aficionados worldwide for its consistency, quality, and timeless design. Bodum has been a leading name in French press coffee for decades, and this model reflects that heritage with solid craftsmanship and reliable brewing performance. The Bodum press typically features a durable borosilicate glass carafe, a stainless steel plunger and mesh filter, and a heat-resistant frame that makes pouring comfortable and secure. The well-engineered filtration system keeps grounds where they belong while letting the rich oils and flavors flow into your cup. With a 34-ounce capacity, this press is excellent for serving 2 to 3 cups or sharing with a partner over breakfast or brunch. Users consistently praise the Bodum French press for its balanced extraction, smooth flavor, and intuitive brewing experience. While glass presses require gentle handling, the quality build and trusted filtration make this a go-to choice for coffee lovers who appreciate classic brewing methods and full-spectrum flavor. Its timeless look and dependable performance make it a standout choice for both seasoned French press users and those new to manual coffee brewing. When choosing a French press, it's helpful to think about capacity, how many cups you'll brew at once, material, glass versus stainless steel, filtration quality, and ease of cleaning. Glass presses often show off the brewing process beautifully, but require careful handling, while stainless models provide durability and improved heat retention. Finding the right press lets you control strength, flavor, and texture, delivering cafe-style coffee in the comfort of your home. And that wraps up our roundup of the best French press coffee makers this year. From the everyday performer Belware's French press coffee maker, to the sleek Kakiso French press coffee maker, the roomy Viken French press coffee maker, the single-serve Civifi 12-ounce French press coffee maker, to our top choice, the Bodum 34-ounce French press coffee maker. There's a perfect brewer here for every taste and lifestyle. Which press will help you brew your best cup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Be sure to check the description for current deals so you can grab the French press that fits your morning routine today. Thanks for watching.